Good morning, everybody. Well, this is Monday morning and we're getting started on low carb pizza. But first of all, welcome to In the Kitchen with Bert LInda. I'm Linda. Bert's coming. He is tidying up and he's finishing up some errands for me. Anyway, okay, we're back to the pizza. I'm going to show you first what I do with this pizza pan because I need to put parchment paper in it, and this is how I'm going to fix it. So watch real close. Okay, because I've got a round pan, I need to make a circle that fits this pan. So I'm going to take my pan, turn it upside down on the parchment paper, take a black magic marker, pencil, pen, it doesn't matter, and just go around the edge. And there's your round to cut out and put in your pan. Okay, we're going to do that in just a minute. Alright, for right now too, I have got the oven going at 400 degrees. It's preheating. So let's get everything else together. And we're going to make the crust out of cottage cheese, an egg, and some Italian seasoning. That's going to be your crust. We're going to put it in the blender and blend it up very smooth. And that's going to be your crust. So hold on, we'll show you that. And then I'm going to have two different types of cheese, pizza blend and mozzarella. And I've got some ham here. I don't have any pepperoni, so I like ham. So I'm going to put some ham on the pizza. And also, I like onions. So I'm going to chop up some onions, make them small. That's what's going to go on this pizza. So hold on and we'll get started. Okay, I've got my round cut out from the pizza pan. There it is. So we're going to set that aside. Now, we're going to put this cottage cheese. We need a cup of cottage cheese in our Ninja. And we're going to blend it up till it's smooth. We're going to add some Italian seasoning to it and an egg. And it'll be good to go. A half cup measure, so we're going to put a cup in here. Okay. Going to put some Italian seasoning in it. Whatever, how much you want. Your call on that. Okay. Then we're going to put an egg in there. Okay. So now, going to put the top on, it up. See? Okay, that's done. So we're moving out of the way. I have got my onions chopped, and I've got some ham, and I don't have any pepperoni, so we're going to do ham. And I've got a little bitty, it's a little measuring cup that I'm going to see if we can make ham things like pepperoni. Isn't that cute? Look at that, isn't it cute? It makes a little circle like a pepperoni, except it's a ham disc. That's what I'm gonna call it. So let's see if we can chop up some more. Now normally, if I'm just having a pizza myself, I just have, even if we go to a pizza place, I most times just order cheese pizza. But Bert is here, and so he likes meat, but I don't have pepperoni and I don't have hamburger, but we get ham. And so we're gonna have ham and onion pizza, which is just as good. Aren't they adorable? Aren't they cute? So he'll like this too. But I hope everybody's doing good today. Down here in North Carolina, it's sunny and it's hot. It's going to be about 95 this afternoon outside. Humid. The humidity's back. So it's like we're having July weather in May. But there is chance that it's going to rain Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, which I know it's messing up Memorial Day, but we desperately need the rain, so sorry people. And our great-grandson's birthday is Sunday. They're supposed to be having an outdoor party. Don't know how that's going to go. But anyway, everybody's looking forward to just having rain for a change. Okay, so we're going to leave this aside. May just go ahead and chop it up and just put it on there anyway. So that's our ham. We got ham and onion and cheese. Okay, but the thing about this is this cottage cheese. You don't pre-cook it. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to take our crust, our pizza pan, and we're hoping this is working. Can you see? Got it? Okay, let's get all this. This machine and I, we do not love each other. Okay. I don't know what it is, but it just don't work for me. All right, what we're going to do is take the blade out. And believe it or not, we're just going to pour it on the pizza pan. This is what's going to make our crust. Kind of looks like ranch dressing. But anyway. It smells good. Okay, that's good. All right, then just spread it out. Exactly where you'd have your pizza. This is what's going to make your crust. It's going to be a thin crust, which that's what we like. We don't like a lot of, even if we bought a pizza, we would get thin. We don't like a lot of crust bread. Okay. Now that looks good. Okay, wash hands again. Alright, then we're going to put our little ham disc on here. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. Of stuff. Let's put some onions. Don't have to put a lot, just a few. Now, we'll put some mozzarella cheese on it. Pizza blend cheese. And this is what we're going to use for this one. This has got mozzarella and mild cheddar cheese. Doesn't that look good? Okay, that's done. There it is. Now remember, you can have more meat or veggies or whatever on it. This is just what we have on hand today. So now let's go put this in let me scoot down. Let me go put this in a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. And when it's done, I'll bring you back and we'll have some pizza. It's onion pizza made from cottage cheese, eggs, cheese, and what you want on it. So let's cut it and see how it works. Oh, I cooked in the 400-degree oven and it took about 20-25 minutes because I wanted it brown around the edges, and so I just let it sit in there. So when the oven went out, I just left it, and so it looks very pretty. Now let's see if we can cut it.
So you have to, it may vary depending upon your oven.
Yeah. So, but remember now, this is not like a regular pizza with a floured crust. This is
Okay, just
cottage cheese. Oh, look at that.
this is
Oh, wow.
this is like a thin crust pizza. Ooh,
Okay,
it's hot.
I'm gonna come over and get.
Let me get my just one hand. There.
Wow.
It's like a
that
thin
looks
crust pizza.
Great. Okay. So taste it.
You
Is
mean
it too
I'll
hot?
cut you a piece.
Is it too hot?
It's pretty warm. Let me cut another piece for
So I'm
you.
excited because I
Here you go.
love pizza. Okay, let me taste
You
it.
think it's
Tastes just like pizza.
that's good.
I'm telling you, it tastes just like a regular pizza. Mm. And it's low carb, sorry.
Hey folks, this could be a real winner right here.
Mhm.
This is good.
Be back with you in a minute.
Okay, Linda's busy eating, so anyways,
Right here.
hope you guys are having a great day today. It's sunshiny, it's a Monday, and Linda, as you can tell, she's hungry, so we're fixing to eat.
Yep, we are. We're gonna have ham and onion pizza. So remember, it's low carb. That's the key to the whole thing. It's low carb. Try it. Don't let the cottage cheese scare you off. People hear cottage cheese and they're like, ugh, but it is delicious.
It's got like a pizza crust. Just it's thin.
Crispy.
It's
The edges are crispy.
the edges are crispy.
Hi there. Just in addition to the pizza video that we made this morning, we had, believe it or not, 3 pieces of pizza left. So what I'm doing is I am putting it face down in the air fryer, and I'm going to put it on bake for about 5 minutes to toast up the underside of it. I want it a little bit crispier. So let's do that, and I'll be right back to show you what happens. Okay, I've got it in the air fryer on bake at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes, and that's going to crisp up the underside of the pizza. But if you want to crisp it up while you're cooking it, when the top side gets brown, I have seen where some people have an extra piece of parchment paper cut out just like the pizza pan, and when they take the pizza out, they take the pizza and the extra piece of parchment paper, put the parchment paper on top of the pizza and flip it and put it back in the oven. Take off the piece of parchment paper that you just cooked it on. Take it off. Now you got your pizza upside down. Put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes, and that will crisp up the underside of the pizza if you want a crispier bottom. Because the way it cooks right now with just cooking the top, the underside of it is a little bit soft. I guess you want to say softer than I like. The pizza's good. It's got a fantastic taste to it, but it just needs to be cooked more for my liking on the bottom side. So this is what the air fryer is going to do for us today. So hold on, and it'll be through in just a minute. Okay, so the pizza, this underside of it has been in the air fryer for about 5 minutes, and you can see it's toastier. I call it toasty. It's what would you call it, Bert? Not toasty. Anyway, there's the top side and there's the underside. And I think you'd like that better. I know we will. So if you want it a little crispier, there's the top and there's the bottom. So if you want it a little bit crispier, just flip it over. You can do it. It's not hard to do. Like I said, take a piece of extra parchment paper. Say this is your pizza pan. You got your pizza. Take your extra piece of parchment paper and put it on top, and then flip it. and then take off the part of parchment paper that you were cooking it on, throw it away, then stick it back in the oven for another, say, 10 minutes, just to crisp up that underside. And I think you'll like it a lot better.
And just remember, don't forget, please, to like, subscribe, and share out our channel. And we'll be bringing some more low-carb menus, recipes to you very soon. So for today, just remember that
God
loves you, and so do we. And we'll see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye for now.
All right, let's eat. That's good.